The 2025 Maserati MC20 is here, and it's taking Italian performance to the next level. Maserati has built a reputation for blending luxury with speed, and the MC20 is a prime example of this philosophy. With a sleek, aerodynamic design and a powerful engine, this supercar is ready to challenge the best in its class. At the heart of the 2025 MC20 is the revolutionary 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, known as the Nettuno. This power plant delivers an astonishing 621 horsepower and 538 lb-ft of torque, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.9 seconds. The top speed? A mind-blowing 202 miles per hour. Maserati has engineered this car to be a true driver's machine, with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that provides lightning-fast shifts and precise control on the road or track. The exterior design of the MC20 is nothing short of breathtaking. Its low-slung body, aggressive front grille, and signature butterfly doors make it stand out from the competition. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis ensures that the car remains lightweight while maintaining rigidity for maximum performance. The aerodynamics have been fine-tuned to enhance downforce, making sure the car stays planted at high speeds. Inside, the 2025 MC20 offers a driver-focused cockpit with a perfect balance of luxury and technology. High-quality materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather cover the interior, creating a sophisticated yet sporty atmosphere. A 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a similarly sized touchscreen infotainment system provide all the necessary driving information and connectivity features. The MC20 also comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced navigation system to keep drivers connected on the go. Maserati has also introduced an all-electric version of the MC20, known as the MC20 Folgore. This EV variant is expected to push performance even further, with instant torque and a high-performance battery system that delivers exceptional acceleration and range. Maserati is making a bold statement by combining its rich racing heritage with cutting-edge electric technology. With the 2025 MC20, Maserati is proving that it can compete with the likes of Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren. This car is not just about speed, it's about delivering an unforgettable driving experience. Whether you choose the powerful V6 or the electric Folgore, the MC20 promises to be one of the most exciting supercars of the year.